Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video series, we'll be unboxing the Manta MK2 City Circuit Special. Let's go through the contents and see if everything matches the manual. The cowl looks fantastic, the dish-type wheels are a nice touch, and it even comes with low-friction tires. Alright, let's get started building this kit. Attach the eyelet to the chassis. Place the pink gear and insert the hex shaft through the eyelet until it reaches the other side. Fit the hard tire compound firmly onto the wheel. Attach the left and right wheels to the chassis simultaneously, ensuring proper alignment. Place the pink gear and insert the hex shaft through the eyelet until it reaches the other side. 手順さんと同様に、ホイールの取り付けを繰り返します。Install the battery terminals left and right onto the chassis. Secure them with Part A9 near the terminals. 後部でも手順6を繰り返します。Install the switch. Attach the pinion gear to the motor. Use Part A8 to hold the gear in place and press it down fully. Mount the motor holder onto the motor. モーターをシャーシに取り付けます。Attach the eyelet to gear and fit it into the chassis. モーターカバーを取り付けます。Insert the step screw into the roller with a washer, then mount it onto the chassis. 手順14を繰り返します。Repeat step 14 and attach the rear brake. Insert two AA batteries and test the setup to ensure everything is functioning. Attach the battery holder to the chassis. カウルカバーを準備します。Apply the decals. Attach the rear wings to the front cowl. Install the cowl onto the chassis and secure it with Part A4. Manta MK2 サーキットシティスペシャルは完全に組み立てられており、見た目も素晴らしいです。Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this first look build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Mini for WD content. Big thanks to our friends at Rise of the 8H Records for providing such incredible soundtracks. If you're looking for killer guitar tones, be sure to reach out to them through the links in the description below. 次回もお楽しみに!